Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will be presenting our group project regarding a player versus player 4x4 tic-tac-toe, which also tracks your progress from time to time. Throughout this presentation, my group, which is me, myself, Imran Ajmi, followed by Mama Aiman Akil, Mama Faris, Nur Zahida Zaira, and Radin Hadi, will be presenting different sections of the application. So the first thing that you will see when you open up the application is the main page, where there will be two buttons, which are the sign in and sign up. So first, we'll navigate into the sign up page. So in there, you will find the sign up form that you will need to fill in, which is your username, your nickname, your password, and to confirm your password. So first, let's fill that up first. So once you fill in your credentials in the form, you'll click the sign up button, which will kick in the data into the database. Now, once it has registered successfully, it will pop up a message. So now let's navigate into the sign in page, where you will fill in your credentials that you used to fill up in the sign up form earlier. And once you do, you'll be navigated into the welcome page. And once you sign in, you'll be greeted with a welcome page. And once you sign out from the welcome page, you will also be greeted with the main page, which indicates that you have successfully logged out of the application.
Okay, now we will go to the player info section. This player info section where the host can insert the player nickname. For example, FAR. Then click insert. It will save successfully. And then to update and delete the player, we can go to input some of ID name. For example, maybe 4. So press the search and it will display the player nickname that have the player ID of 4. If you want to update, we can just change the name. For example, maybe ZAL. Just press the update and if successful, it will say update successfully. If we want to delete, maybe we can delete ID number 5. After press the search, just click delete. If successful, it will display delete successfully.
Okay, next we continue with the player table. In this section, we can see the table of player ID, player nickname, and the total points. So originally is the player is 1 until 6, and after the authorization happen for the inserting, update, and delete. So for the insert, just now we insert a new player. Then we can see that the player ID is 7 that contain nickname of FAR. And next, we update the ID number 4, player ID number 4. From just now is DD to ZAL. And lastly, we can see that there is no player ID for number 5 because we have just now deleted it.
So let's move to the leaderboard section. This is the leaderboard interface. Once the player finish their game, they can check or look back their score. So this bar chart with a pie chart will represent as the score for the game.
Okay, now we move on to the tic-tac-toe game. First, we will be selecting the mode, which is a player versus player. Then we move on to the grid, which is 4x4 grid. And now we appear on the select players grid. So over here, we select the player 1 and player 2 of the player that we want to play against. So let's say for the first player, we chose the updated characters ZAL and the newly inserted character FAR. And then we just click the start button. Over here, we are at the game. So it appears over here, ZAL as the player 1 and FAR as the player 2. Each player are being represented by their own symbol, which is ZAL is X and FAR is 0. So firstly, we click. It appears that ZAL is start first with the X. So we move on with the FAR. So now if we play like normal, once the player win, it will show a toast of the player 1 wins, and it will be updated over here with the text 3 point for the win. So let's say if the second player win, my bad. Okay, let's just say that this session works. Okay, now let's move on to show that player 2 actually win. Okay, player 2 win and the point will be updated. And how about if the player are draw? Right? If the player draw, both of them will be given 1 point. So if we want to see the updated score of the player once they won the game, ZL is 7, FAR is 4, we go back. We can check on the leaderboard. Previously, ZAL got 7 points, so it will be added to the point here. For 7 plus 7 is 14, and the new player character FAR will be given 4, so it will be over here. It shows over here in the bar chart and also in the pie chart. That's it for our group. Thank you.